Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The structure shows a 5-membered carbocyclic ring with 2 double bonds. Numbering the ring, the double bonds are at positions 1, 2 and 3, 4, making the parent compound cyclopenta 1, 3 diene. Step 2. Identify the substituent attached to C5. The sp3 carbon of the ring is a 3-carbon chain ending in a terminal double bond CH2. CH is equal to CH2. This is an allyl group, systematically named prop 2N1YL or prop 2NL. Step 3. Assign the locant. C5 is the only saturated carbon in cyclopenta 1, 3 diene and the substituent is attached there, so the locant is 5. Step 4. Assemble the IUPAC name. Substituent name plus parent name is equal to 5 prop 2NL cyclopenta 1, 3 diene. Step 5. Verify. No other regiochemistry is possible because only one carbon in the ring lacks a double bond, confirming the locant 5 and the name. Therefore, the correct answer is 5 prop 2NL cyclopenta 1, 3 diene. The correct answer is shown on screen.